Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today we will be learning how to log into Google Maps using your iOS device. This step will work for your Android devices as well, so make sure to follow along till the end. First of all, open up your Google Maps application on your device. Once you're inside the home page, go to the top right corner of the screen and tap on your profile picture. Now, click on the Continue button in the pop-up and it'll take you to the Google account sign-in section. Go ahead and write down your email or phone number associated with your Google account that you are trying to log into Google Maps with. After writing down the credential, tap Next. Now you will be taken to the next page where you will be asked to enter your Google account's password. Write down the password in the text box and tap Next. If you use two-step verification, follow the prompts to verify your identity, and after successfully logging in, you'll have access to Google Maps with your personalized data like saved places and recent locations. And that's how you log into Google Maps on your iPhone. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, like, share and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.